I used to have a Tiphede rug from IKEA in this room, and I've decided to remove it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through why I had it initially and why I decided it didn't fit in this room anymore, and also just my thoughts on this rug and whether it would be useful for you. So Tiphede is a 7x9 natural cotton rug. This is definitely not how you're going to see it in any product photos on IKEA's website. I would say IKEA is very fair to how they show things, and I would say that this rug looks in person just like it looks in the photos. It is a really nice rug. It's 7 feet by 9 feet. It was only $40, which is the most amazing thing about it. That's like 1/10 the price of a normal decent rug, and I think it's made with organic cotton. So amazing product. And then you'll see this other one over here is the rug underlay, and you need this. It's called Stip Filt. It's a rug underlay. The whole purpose is so that your feet, when you walk on the rug, are not going to send the rug sliding all over your room. It grips the wood, and then it grips the carpet so that you can walk seamlessly. And so I think the Stip Filt also costs like another 50 bucks. So overall, this whole thing is just under $100. That actually became the problem and one of the reasons why I ended up removing it. You see, this rug got so dirty from us eating on the couch always and just getting messes over here. Our baby is also a constant mess maker. So ultimately, this rug needed to be cleaned or removed. The problem was cleaning it is really going to be higher price than just shipping it out and either junking it or giving it away on Facebook Marketplace. That's the reason this doesn't work anymore for us. So why did I get it initially? Initially, I had a newborn baby, and it occurred to me that if I'm going to be holding her on the couch, if she were to ever by chance fall onto this wood surface, that would be a pretty awful fall for her. There's nothing forgiving about a wood surface. So even just having something carpeted or some kind of padding for a baby to fall onto at least gives their fall a little bit of cushion. And that makes a surprisingly big difference if that were to ever happen. Thankfully, my baby's now 9 months old. She's never fallen, and even though she's 9 months, she's a lot stronger than she was when she was a newborn in every way. So I know that a small fall isn't going to be catastrophic to her. The other thing is that now we have practical solutions for keeping the baby safe and comfortable. The main thing is if she's playing, she's probably in her playpen where she has all of her toys, and that is kind of sequestered off from the rest of the room. If she's eating, she's probably on a blanket where she can eat. She can make a huge mess, and then I can put that blanket in my washing machine very easily to get it cleaned. And if we're holding her on the couch, she sits up pretty well now. She's 9 months old, so she's pretty confident. And I also I trust myself a bit more as a parent. I know I'm not going to just suddenly drop her on the floor. So overall, I didn't feel the same need that I did. I also had a practical issue where my robot vacuum, as you'll see in other videos, was always having a hard time really cleaning up that rug. It was always getting stuck on any kind of fold like this, and it didn't know how to get underneath the couch, which is crucial to me to really getting a thorough clean since there's so many crumbs that can get stuck under the couch. So at the end of the day, this rug had just gotten dirty from too much food falling on it. It was more expensive to clean it than to just replace it. It didn't look super great. Bear in mind, obviously it's so cheap. It really is amazing that they ever create a product at this price point. But because it is fairly thin, it had a tendency to show wrinkles, and those wrinkles did interfere with the robot vacuum effectively getting over it and effectively cleaning it. Especially, I think, when you have a heavy couch that you're trying to put on top of a rug, that's naturally going to cause some wrinkling, I find. So it just didn't look very clean. And to me, as soon as I removed the rug from the space, I actually appreciate the minimalism because, as you can see, we already have a lot going on in this room. So just taking something away actually can improve the look of your space. So I think this is just a reflection on how your life needs are going to change a little bit, and therefore the products you need may also change with them. I am really glad, as a lesson from this, that I did not spend $500 or $5,000 on a rug that I was able to get for about $100. The rug served its purpose, kept my baby safe during some initial months, and you know, I really wish. I think the thing that does make me sad about this is it's still probably a useful rug to someone. I could list this on Facebook Marketplace, but I have learned there's a lot of things people just don't want on Facebook Marketplace, and then you spend more time waiting to get rid of junk than you would. I think there are better rugs out there, so I'm probably just going to trash this. You can feel free to comment if you totally disagree on that, and I'd respect your experience. But yeah, I think it's not going to work out on Facebook Marketplace. I think I just got to get it out of my house to make things look better for now. And in the meantime, I'm going to be appreciating the minimalism of just a nice, clean wood floor that my vacuum hopefully can get around more easily and that I can keep looking sharp.